Good evening, students. Today we are going to see ninth standard lesson number 9. You can have some doubt. Already we have completed lesson number 1. Why master chosen lesson number 9? Na? Because it is very important for 10th standard. Based on 10th standard syllabus, we are going to learn one by one. Okay. Now, already we completed lesson number 1. Now lesson number 9, probability. So we have to know what is meant by probability. The probability means is nothing. Probability means is nothing. Probability means predictable and non-predictable events. Predictable and non-predictable events. For example, predictable means what? Na? We can guess. Non-predictable means we cannot guess. We cannot guess. For example, I am tossing a coin. What will happen? It will fall down into ground. We can say whether it is a head or tail. We can guess whether we can have head or we can have tail. The two only will going to happen. For example, sometimes the sunlight was heavy. Suddenly the rain was coming. We are surprised, we are surprising how the rain came. The sunlight was heavy. No one is guessing that time is the rain is coming. No. That is called a non-predictable. Predictable and non-predictable event is called a probability. Okay. Here I am going to give one formula. For example, this is the formula. Probability of A. A is called some event. Probability of A. A is called some event. Number of possible outcomes by total number of outcomes. What is that? This is the formula. P of A equal to number of possible outcome by total number of outcome. What is meant by probability? They will ask. Now that time you have to say predictable and non-predictable events are called a probability. Now P of A equal to, this is the formula, N of A by N of S, where A is called some event. For example, see, I am tossing a coin. I am tossing a coin. We have to write sample case. Sample case means what are the possibilities we can get. I am tossing a coin. I can get, what we can get? H I can get, or T I can get. These two only I can get. No, a coin, only one coin I am tossing. Totally how much? Coordinate is we run on same way. N of S is equal to how much is there? 2 is there. Okay. I need only head. Now I am going to take a event. So I need only head. So A is the event of head. A is the event of, how many head I can get? Only one head. A is equal to H. So N of A equal to 1. So P of A is equal to this formula. N of A by N of S. P of A is equal to N of A by N of S. So we can write N of A value 1 and N of S value is 2. 1 by 2 value, what is the 1 by 2 value? 0.5. Generally we will not put in point value. We will stop as it is 1 by 2. Okay. Some basic conditions also is there in probability. What is the condition? Some basic condition also is there in probability. See, the probability always lies between, 0 less than or equal to P of A less than or equal to P of 1. So from 0 to 1, it will not come less than 0 and it will not come more than 1. For example, minus value we will not get, minus 0.1, minus 2, minus 5, it will not come in probability. Same, it will not come more than 1, 1.5, 1.2, like that it will not come. Always it lies between 0 and 1, 0.1, 0.01, 0.5, like that, 0.9, 0.99, like that we have the probability condition. Okay. Next, sure event. Probability of sure event. Sure means what we know. Probability of sure event is answer 1. Okay. Next, impossible event. Impossible event. Impossible event is answer 0. For example, sure event, now only I said no. You are tossing a coin. I need 8 na, surely there will be 8. I need 10 na, surely there will be 8. Any one will happen. Same way, impossible event, why I have given 0 na? For example, say less than 2 even number. Less than 2 even number means we can say no, that is called a impossible event. Impossible event means we can't get a answer. Okay. Another one more example. We need in our class all the students should get 100 mark out of 100 and 100 out of 100. It is possible to get out of 100 all the students? No, impossible. No, same. That is called a impossible event. So we can say 0. Next, for some condition I am giving. 1 coin tossed. What is the probability we are going to see? S is equal to, S means a sample space. S means what? A sample space. So 1 coin toss means there is a possibility N and H and T. So N of S is equal to how much? 2. So next, 2 coins tossed. 2 coins tossed. 2 coins tossed means what? Now 2 and I am tossing 2 coins. What I can get in 2 hands? Yet I can get S is equal to, I can get both also A, I can get both also tail, I can get right hand 8 and left hand tail, I can get right hand tail and left hand 8. These are the possibilities. So totally N of S value is what? 4 values. Okay. Next, 3 coins. If 3 coins are tossed, what is the possibilities? Look at that. S is equal to both 3 last, all the 3 also 8, last one alone tail, and center alone tail, and first alone tail. Also, all the 3 are tail, last alone 8, center alone 8, and first alone 8. So totally how much is there? N of S is equal to 8 values. Okay. Next, dice. First, one die thrown. We know the dice, no? Dice. What are the possibilities in dice? There will be a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So totally how much? N of S is equal to 6 will be there. If in case 2 dice are thrown, 2 dice are thrown means sample phase. 2 dice, in 2 and 2 dice I am throwing. I can get 1, 1. Otherwise, first and 1 and second and 2. First and 1, second and 3. First and 1, second and 4. First and 1, second and 5. First and 1, second and 6. Like that I can get. Otherwise, first and 2, second and 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. 3, first and 3 I can get, second and 1 I can get. So 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Next 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. Totally how much value is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally n of s value is 36. If we have two dice, we can say this format.